Yo, what's up, everybody? Supertude. Okay, okay. I probably part 3 news. For this Wednesday month, y'all, man. Breaking news, man. Breaking news, man. About Boosie Badass, man. Okay, Boosie Badass, pled guilty, for the gun case. So he was like, in court. So I watched the news, and he was in court, until he played pled guilty for the until I had I said the video about him, until we got trouble having I think having guns on him. I say California until he played the get for Charles, but I feel like Boosie, man, I guess he is going back to jail, so I think he probably might do some time for the gun case and how he go back to jail and how he fight for his case right now. But I feel like Boosie, man, I guess he is going back to jail, man, because he got himself caught right up. I think having guns on him and how he got caught up, out of California. But I believe California and Atlanta, two places where you can get tried, and I think for the type of gun case means that especially if you're out here trying to ride a firearm in a car or or trying to have a gun on you means that the laws can get you locked up for it, man. But I feel like Boosie, man, that he got himself locked up, and but I probably say he might fit time, so I probably say he probably make it 4 to 5 years. I don't know, but I did video like a couple weeks ago saying a dude might get like 14 years for the I still the gun case, but he might get like 4 years or 5 years or 6 years. I don't know. I don't depends how the law might do to him. I saw how the law might give him more time, but yeah, man, if I boost him, man, I think he's gonna be to jail, man, for the gun case. So yeah, I'm sure y'all. I said all the clip y'all make sure like, comment in, let's say subscribe to peace. Admire to kill it in peace.
All right, on to a little more serious news here. A well-known rapper with a big following on social media could be headed back to prison after he pleaded guilty to a gun charge in federal court today.
Boosie was arrested during a traffic stop here in San Diego 2 years ago. CBS 8's Kelly Hesdahl joins us live downtown. Kelly, you were in the courtroom. You also spoke to Boosie. What can you tell us?
That's right, and his legal name is Torrance Hatch. Now, a lot of times defendants don't really want to talk to us if they're still going through court proceedings, but he was fine with it. He says he accepts responsibility for what happened, and he's ready to move forward.
I want to put it behind me. I want to get it behind me and get on with my life. It's a lot of things this case has stopped me from doing, traveling all across the world, making. So I just want to get it over with, and, accept my guilty plea. I'm ready to get over it.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Just say a prayer for me. I just need prayer. I don't need nothing else. Yeah.
And his attorney provided us this video of him performing on stage. Now, Hatch, known as Boosie to his fans, now awaits sentencing. He's a father of 9 kids. His fiance was with him in court today. So some background on this case. It stems from a traffic stop in San Diego in May 2023. Hatch was arrested in Choyas View after police found 2 guns inside a vehicle he was riding in. Now, the state charges were eventually dropped, but the feds then pursued a case against him because he was a convicted felon in possession of a firearm, which violates federal law. Now, the 42-year-old rapper announced earlier this month on social media that he was going to take a plea deal, and so this morning he went before a judge and entered that guilty plea. So here's what his defense attorney told me outside court.
I am optimistic for Mr. Hatch. He, as you just explained, wanted nothing more than to accept responsibility and put this behind him. And now it's my job to make sure the court understands the scope of the case and what the case is really about. And more importantly, all of the amazing things that Mr. Hatch has done for the community, continues to do, and the amazing things that he will do going forward.
And Hatch currently lives in Atlanta. Now, he faces a maximum of 15 years behind bars. His defense attorney did not disclose any parts of the plea agreement or any details about it, but the judge made it very clear today, regardless of what's in that plea agreement, it is the sentencing judge who will have the final say. So the sentencing hearing is set for November 21st, which is just days after Hatch's birthday.
Man. Boost, man. So I guess I'm gonna give him I think trial, a court appearance. So I guess I do in the court how he might go back to prison, man. So it's sad for Boost, man. So I feel like fans felt kind of sad about him. I say I think about the jail for the gun case and how he had to sit down for a little while and how he might get back. Basically, when it does, it's a wrap. So, but so I probably pray for Boosie, man. So much I like coming in, shout out to peace. I might take a piece.